You wake up, and something feels different inside your life. Not because everything is perfect, but because your heart feels lighter, even after the same struggles. That feeling is not random. It is a quiet mercy reaching you in the middle of your daily life. When stress is still there. When problems still exist. When answers still feel delayed. There are moments in life when a person starts changing without even realizing it. Your patience becomes stronger. Your reactions become softer. Your anger takes longer to rise. Your heart starts choosing calm instead of chaos. This is not small. This is not ordinary. This is a shift inside you that many people ignore. When Allah is pleased with someone, life does not always become easy. But the heart becomes steady inside the difficulty. You stop breaking in the same places you used to break before. You start standing again even after heavy days. You notice something simple. You begin to feel discomfort when you move toward things that harm your peace. Old habits feel heavier. Wrong choices feel harder. And good decisions start feeling more natural. This is not coincidence. This is guidance shaping your direction quietly. There are days when you sit alone and think about your past actions. Not with pride. Not with excuses. But with a real desire to improve. You start saying sorry more. You start fixing what you can. You start caring about your character in a deeper way. That inner shift is a powerful sign. A heart that is being guided does not stay still in wrong behavior. It starts turning back again and again, even after mistakes. You may also notice something else. Your blessings may not look massive on the outside, but you stop feeling empty inside them. Small things start feeling enough. A peaceful morning, a safe home, a quiet moment, a meal without stress, a day without harm. Gratitude becomes easier. Complaining becomes less attractive. Your focus starts shifting from what is missing to what is already holding you. And then there is something even more personal. Your connection with prayer, reflection, and remembrance becomes softer and more real. Not forced. Not mechanical. But natural. Like your heart is slowly remembering where it belongs. Even when you fall short, you feel pulled back again. That pull is not weakness. That pull is care. There are also signs you feel in your relationships. You stop chasing approval from everyone. You become more careful with your words. You avoid hurting others even when you are upset. Your heart starts valuing peace over ego. This is not personality change. This is internal purification happening step by step. And sometimes, doors close in your life. Plans fail. People leave. Delays increase. At first it feels painful. But later you notice something. Those closed doors saved you from something you could not see at that time. Not every delay is punishment. Not every loss is rejection. Sometimes it is protection shaping your path in silence. A heart that is under care starts trusting, even when it cannot understand. You may still have worries. You may still have unanswered prayers. You may still have days when you feel tired. But something deep inside does not let you give up completely. That small strength inside you is a sign itself. Because when a person is left alone with no care, hope disappears. But when mercy is close, hope returns again and again. You start noticing that your mistakes do not define you. Your past does not trap you. Your current struggles do not cancel your future. You begin to believe that change is still possible, no matter how long you have been stuck. This mindset shift is powerful. It shows a heart that is still being guided forward. So if you are feeling these changes inside you, protect them. Do not ignore them. Do not reduce them. Stay consistent in small good actions. Stay honest in private moments. Stay gentle with people around you. Stay aware of your choices when no one is watching. Real change is quiet. Real guidance is steady. Real closeness is felt inside the heart, before it is seen outside in life. And if you are still struggling, still waiting, still unsure, keep going. Because a heart that keeps returning, even after falling, is never forgotten. Keep your intentions clean. Keep your hope alive. Keep your connection strong in your own way every day. Your journey is still unfolding. And sometimes the greatest sign is not what you receive outside. It is what is changing inside you without noise, without attention, and without applause. If this message touched your heart, like the video, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe for more reminders that speak to the heart.